It is super bright and sunny, and today we're gonna do some eye exam, guys. So this is how my morning is starting. Look at this sun. Let me get out of the sun itself, but that's how my morning is starting today. So I'm gonna go do my eye exam, and then I'm gonna do a little bit of shopping, so that way finally out of the super sun. Do eye exam, and I'm gonna do a little shopping. I need some storage bins, so that way we'll be able to go ahead and get everything.
I just need your number so I can put in your.
Yes. So smaller than my face. I don't like because they're so much smaller. These like super like office vibe. This is giving office. I'm at the office. It is. But so are these. They give office. They're so much better. Too small. It's giving office, babe. I like these.
And then those post directly to the house too.
Same thing for the shipping fee.
Hi, welcome. Good morning, chickens.
I like these better. Oh, these are so much better. I like these. I'm gonna get these from.
Yes.
Yeah, these are a little bit more plain.
You guys have a good day.
These are better.
I guess if they gonna fix this to your noise.
Yeah, they fix it, adjust it to your size.
And that cat, can you put the cat? Nice.
This one will be closed. I can't close the order, and if I try to close it,
Yes, totally done with the eye exam and close dental. Yeah, haven't been to the dentist, but done with the eye exam. Now we're going into Ross since it's right there to go check out what they have on sale. Super loud car, but completely done. It was super quick. Found two glasses that I actually like, nothing too crazy or fancy, and we're gonna head up to Ross to pick up a couple of things, look at some things actually, may not shop for anything, and then afterwards I'm gonna go to the Dollar Tree, see if I can find some storage bins because I got a lot of things that I need to actually store and properly place in my room. Guess what came in the mail? I just came outside. You can hear a lot of cars. But my new Nike shoes came in the mail. So I'm going to unbox them and show them to you guys so I can wear them on my next gym day tomorrow. So it's exciting. super sunny. I love this morning. I'm not at work, so that's a good thing, but this crazy sun is a lot. So what I'm gonna do this morning, guys, is go pick up my new pair of glasses, and then we're gonna head to the gym. So I'm already dressed to go work out, so it's exciting. And as soon as we're able to cross. So I should really bring my tripod with me, remember it? We're gonna walk in and go get my glasses right now. Yeah. Thank you. Good morning. We're here to pick up my glasses. Awesome. Oh, okay.
Picking up.
Oh, we're both picking up,
Okay,
actually.
she can be the first victim. How's that?
Good. Thank you.
There you are.
Can you do a little for me when I'm trying your one?
Okay, no problem. You can help me with that.
How's that feel?
I like it better. It's a little bit more snug back here,
Okay.
so I like it.
You know what? I'll help you in a different station, okay?
Yeah, it's good. I like it. Not too snug, but it sits right on my head.
You go. We'll start with those, or
Let's see. I'll do these ones.
okay.
Okay.
There. You gonna put your old ones in here? Or?
Yeah.
You might as well hang on to them. They're better on a bad weekend. They're better than nothing.
That's true.
All bad things happen Saturday night.
Oh my
Everything's closed.
goodness.
Thank you very much.
Nice.
We
Thank
appreciate
you.
it. Y'all have a good day.
Awesome. Got new glasses. So I have my new glasses. I'm gonna wear these. I don't wear these all the time, so these are gonna be my new pair. And next place we're gonna go to is to spend some gym time and get some workout in. Should be exciting. Just in here so I can do this. I'm not gonna leave this up because come on, how do you do this?
Isn't it a suction cup, kind of? So it's just stuck. This suction. Guess it's not great suction. That's nice.
All right, so let me try on my new little pair of glasses. So this one's mine. Oh yeah, because yours would be.
Yeah, my husband one in there.
Which one do I want to wear? So let's see.
Y'all both look elegant.
You do, they do. I like the fact that they gave me this little clear glass because I don't have a glasses case. So this is gonna be easy to keep it in. These are one pair. I really like these. These are everyday nice pair. It's a little design at the back, so pretty nice. I like these. And these,
Try it on.
I'm gonna try it on. Oh, I should just put it on. So this is what these look like. I like these. I wanted the bigger frame. Let me get the,
Yeah, it's almost like sunglasses.
right? I like these. They're bigger. I realize I like the bigger frames on my face rather than the small ones. But these are the ones I'm gonna wear. These are the second pair. It's almost the same thing, but a little different. See? And the design on the back is different too, so.
Compare.
And let's do, this is what they look like. So this is the all black, and this is the little golden black design, so.
In the back.
And and this is a little different design. Let me close these so I can show. So these are the design difference in the back. Again, slight difference, not a big deal, but I like just a little variation. So we're gonna wear these first. Gonna wear these guys first to drive today. He already cleaned them, so they're good to go, and they're so clear and nice. I like my new prescription. What did he say? So we're all ready to go, and we're gonna drive to the gym, and then I gotta do a little bit of shopping, and that's it.